Do you know the supernatural secret to finding the strength of a woman? Each day, in all various facets of life, we need strength. Strength, physically, emotional strength, mental strength, and spiritual strength. Well, the time has come. Better Life Faith Church International presents Overcoming Every Stage of Life, hosted by our pastor, Dr. Laura Pettis. On Friday, June 28th at 7 o'clock p.m., we will host a panel discussion with men and women talking about relationships, whether single, divorced, widow, you name it, we're talking about it. Then on Saturday, June 29th at 11 o'clock a.m., we will host our Wellness Summit with special guest, Dr. Sonia Thomas. Let's talk about menopause. Vita Smith. Let's talk about nutrition and fitness. And Michelle Lance, overcoming mental health and faith. Please join us for all of these services at 5401 West Lake Street in Chicago, Illinois. Will you be there? Find your strength, find your purpose.